Here it is, you guys. Chipotle bowl. Thumbnail. Look at that. Look how good that look. Look at all that. This is Debo, and you're watching Debo with the Vlogs. What is up, YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna attempt to make the Chipotle bowls, but where? At home. A lot of things we can do at home, so we're gonna make this bowl, and it's gonna be at home. We got all the ingredients. We got the black beans, you got the rice, the cilantro lime rice, the corn, you got the pico de gallo, the sour cream crema, the queso, everything you need, we got it. The cheese, everything. So be oh, my throat. So let's get into the video. If you have any questions, comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. And make sure you like this video to see more videos like this video. I do a lot of cooking on this channel. Sometimes I do cooking, I do recipes, we do vlog, vacations, so be on the lookout. If you haven't already, check out my latest video, my Florida vacation video, or my family vacation playlist where we have a lot of Airbnbs and mansions we done visited, went to, explored, Airbnbs with resorts, all that nature. Recipes already, like my fried mini churro bites, so good. You need to check that out. If I find the video, I'm gonna link it up here, or the picture of the video thumbnail. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so here are some of the ingredients you will need for the Chipotle inspired bowls. You need black beans. I got 2 cans. We're gonna rinse these off, get all that black residue off of them. Sour cream. Walmart. This was a Walmart haul, you guys. I wouldn't recommend going to Walmart because you would think it would be the cheapest place to go, but no, it's the most expensive place to go. This was like $3.19 for the small thing of pico de gallo. I can make it at home without even feel like doing all that. Just a mild one. Tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes, I guess. Corn. Preferably 2 bags. I got 2 bags. I'm throwing 1 right now. Frozen corn tastes better than canned. If you know, you know. Italian cheese. I think that's what they be putting on Chipotle bowls. It'd be some white cheese, but I think some better romaine lettuce. You want to chop this up. You know what that lettuce be the main thing they be piling up on them bowls is that lettuce. I had two of them from the store, fresh value. And you need you a crock pot. This is a walk away. This is a set it. This is a set it and forget it. This is a 3-thing crock pot. I got this for my mom early birthday gift. And I get it here and I break one of the knobs off when I get it here. I was so irritated. But yeah, they got their own individual settings. Yeah, I gotta heat up now. One's gonna be the black beans, one's gonna be the corn, one's gonna be the rice. Oh, you need rice too. White rice or brown rice, whatever you prefer. Let's get into the video. Okay, you're gonna just season this chicken with taco seasoning mix. Got some garlic powder and onion powder. And throw it in the oven. Wrap it up in aluminum foil and throw it in the oven.
Meanwhile.
Okay, I'm gonna chop up this romaine lettuce. Don't ask me how to chop it because I've never chopped romaine lettuce up before, but don't ask me how to chop it. I should have put some over here so I can have some room to breathe. Yeah. You got a lot of water on it. I rinsed it off several times, you guys. I rinsed it off several times. Okay, let me start. Use some lettuce. Some of these pieces I'm gonna have to throw away. Like these 2 pieces, they're gonna get thrown away. Use some lettuce. I think I'm supposed to bunch it up. I'm not sure. I don't even leaving the stems on it because when I be getting my stuff, I put the stems on it. Bunch it up like that, like so, like that. Okay. You want to just slice. Don't do such small pieces. I'm saying don't do such small pieces, and I'm doing the small pieces. Like that. You don't need to go this way with it because, well, just in case it's too long. Like that. You hear that crunch? That means there's some good lettuce. After you got that chopped up, you want to just pick it up and throw it into your bowl. I got this Pioneer Woman bowl. One of my sister's favorite cooks is Pioneer Woman, I think. If I'm not mistaken. If it ain't, she'll comment down below. Yeah, some of this lettuce I'm not gonna use. Use what you want to use, but I'm gonna use what look good. I ain't gonna be over here all day chopping up no lettuce either, so it's been rinsed multiple times, so ooh, what I just chopped up. This is not a Pioneer Woman sponsored video. I know you see a Pioneer chopping board, Pioneer bowl, and a Pioneer knife, but this is not a Pioneer Woman sponsored video. And you know what? Put it in the bowl. Repeat the process. If you hear them noise in the background, it's just the birds. Preferably Tweety, the yellow bird, because I make so much noise every morning. Just dramatic, overly dramatic, but yeah. I'm gonna speed it up for you guys. It's gonna be a long video. Okay, now I'm about to cook these onions. One onion's gonna go into the beans, and the other's gonna go into the pico de gallo. I'm gonna do one to go in the beans first, and then get out the way. Like I said, if you hear that noise in the background, that's Tweety. I ain't gonna sing with Flurry out, but because I know it's Tweety. She do the most. She don't want to get out the cage. When it's time to get out the cage, she'll run to the top. One time she got the cage, when the fluid fly out the cage. I did wash these off. I ain't like it. Tweety! I don't know about her today. Maybe Brianna will figure out what's wrong with her. Oh, I put... Tweety, please, shut up. I put some garlic powder in the beans, onion powder. I might put some chicken bouillon, I might not. Or I added 2 cups of water to it, the beans, so it won't stick and burn. I got half this one already chopped up that quick. Learn how to chop onions up. Well, learn how to chop anything up in culinary class. In culinary class. I'm trying to teach my sister how to do stuff like this, but get a little attitude here and there. Manage. I know you saying not supposed to cut the ends though, but hey, it ain't coming apart. You still ain't coming apart. I'm trying to teach Brianna how to do this, but it's not sure I know how to do it. I ain't had no green bean casserole in a minute, y'all. Oh, it's a holiday dish. I thought it was a dinner dish, but the only thing Brianna make, y'all, is going to be considered a holiday dish. Get that piece out for you.
Eventually.
Okay, we have Brianna in the kitchen. She's making hers right now. I think the chicken's going next, but she's doing rice.
I'm putting the rice next.
We got the chicken I shredded up, as you guys can see. It's a little dark here, I don't know why. We got the lettuce over here, the corn, the black beans. I put some cumin, onions in the black beans. We got the rice. She's making her bowl right now.
So I'm bringing mine with me to work.
We got some queso. I forgot to tell you, we got queso dip, chicken, the corn. What else we got? Oh, the cheese. Got Italian style cheese. I think it's the cheese they use. Sour cream. Everything you need for that little Chipotle bowl. And Mom, I wonder if she's gonna make her one or not. We're gonna see. Oh yeah, we got pico de gallo. I forgot. I had to put some more tomatoes and stuff in it because I wanted to stress it out. Because, like I said, the jar was like 3 something for that small jar. But that's the pico de gallo. This is the whole ensemble. Now that right there is good. That's that cheese that you need to put on hot cheese right there, boy. You know what I'm saying? The artificial mess.
I'm getting a little bit because I'm allergic to dairy products. I can't really have that much cheese.
Hey, Bree, is this your finished part of your bowl? You put cheese in there? The shredded cheese?
Yeah, but it's treasure if I put the pico de gallo in there.
That's her bowl. I wonder how Mama bowl gonna look, but yeah. Got lettuce over here and all this. Something simple. Something simple. Okay, I'm gonna make my bowl. Got the romaine lettuce right here. My hands are freshly washed. Some lettuce. Ooh, some lettuce. Close it back up. Next thing after the lettuce, I think it's the rice. There's rice. A little overcooked, but hey, still gonna work. Got some rice now. Black beans. Some black beans. Give me some black beans. Next thing I get is the corn. Look at the corn, little boy. Corn. Gotta make it look like it's Chipotle. Get more. I love the corn now. This is frozen corn, not that canned. That makes a difference. And the next thing is the chicken. Chicken, hold on. I roasted it in the oven with some taco seasoning on it, both sides. Some garlic powder, onion powder, you already know the fixings. With that red stuff on top, you might add smoked paprika. Go ahead and throw you some smoked paprika on there. I'm with some chicken because I love chicken. It's coming together, you guys. It's coming together. Okay, got my chicken on there. Next thing, we're not done yet because you know, gotta get the cheese, the sour cream, the pico de gallo. Got some pico de gallo right here. That's gonna, I'm about to get a spoon. Then we're gonna do the cheese next thing. This queso. It's a good queso, you guys. Queso. Queso makes it good, especially this one. Sour cream. About my cheese first. That's Italian cheese. What I had, see this cake, this pico de gallo, this cheese next. You can't tell me it's not looking like Chipotle up in here. You can't tell me it's not. My sour cream. Ooh, Lord. This looking like a big meal. I figured again, I'm just gonna, cause I ain't got no spoon, I'm just gonna do like this. Like that. Okay. Got my pico de gallo. Here it is, the finished product. The chicken, the black beans, the corn, the white rice, lunch rice for me, the lettuce, pico de gallo.
1 hour later.
Okay, we got your mom making this bowl. You got sour cream. You need to find some avocado ranch.
No.
I don't know where you found that from, but maybe that make it taste better. So I ain't got guacamole because avocado was $1 of avocado and it was hard to break.
Yeah, we
Put your mask on.
Cover.
You got the cheese. Now that's the bomb diggity cheese right there, boy. That's that. I'm about to just put it down in my boots. That cheese right there is too good. Okay, what? Are you forgetting something?
No, I'm not forgetting anything.
The cheese.
You supposed to be making my bowl. I was recording you making my bowl.
Sorry, it's dark in here. This house is normally dark. It's in the lights. You got the cheese. What else?
Yeah, it's not that much in my bowl. This is really not. I don't know why is it looking like it's too much.
Oh, the avocado ain't even open yet. Oh, even twist that.
I'm gonna heat mine in the microwave.
Here it is, you guys. Hold it on. Thumbnail. Look at that. Look how good that look. Look at all that. You guys, I'm gonna mix this up and try it. So I like to mix it up a bit. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at the look. The lettuce. Hear the crunch of that lettuce? Boy, you can't tell me it's Chipotle. You can't tell me this ain't Chipotle. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. It smells like Chipotle too. Ooh, that chicken. Okay, let's try it. I'm trying to get a bite of everything. Let's try it. Let's try it. That queso originally makes it It's gooseberry, but I think the rice, the chicken, the cilantro from the pico de gallo. Ooh, the onions, the tomatoes, boy, this is so good. The black bean, Chipotle at home. Whew. Them 3 little crock pots come in handy, 3 in 1. But yeah, this is so good. Comment down below if you would try this at home or make this at home for your family. Subscribe to my channel for more quality content and like this video for more quality content. And also, comment down below on what would you add to this bowl. My name is Debo. Thank you for watching my channel. Be on the lookout for another video. I'm gonna call you guys back for another video one day, so be ready. Be ready. Bye.